Hello everyone, this is my final demonstration of my electronic product design project, The Antagonist. Here it is. So right now we're in the first mode, the granular synthesis mode. We have two different samples that we can control the volumes of.
The word parole's got a nasty ring to it.
We're on slider layer 1, which means, like I said, controlling the volumes of the two different samples. You can go to slider layer 2 and control the start and end grain of the first sample.
The word parole's got a nasty. The word parole's got a 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 the word
That's cool. Now, with the encoders, we're on encoder layer 1. We can change the pitch. And we can also change the panning. I only have a mono out for my just in my room right now, so unfortunately I can't display the panning capabilities. We can also go to the second encoder layer by hitting this button, and now these two encoders will affect the variation of the starting grain and add some randomness, a bit of jitter of the two samples. This does sample 1, this does sample 2. Same thing with the pitches in the first encoder layer. This does sample 1, this is sample 2. Now, we can hit this button to affect the effects, essentially. I mean, we can add effects anytime we want. We can hit this encoder to add distortion. We can hit this to add reverb. We can hit this to add high-pass filtering, and this low-pass filtering. Why don't I... And then basically, we hit this button to affect the values of the effects. So I engaged the low pass filtering earlier and the distortion. Now I can add some reverb. Then I can also add even some more reverb. Then we can switch to the second sample. We can focus in on it. And any effects that we put on here now will affect the second sampler, not the first. So let me switch to slider layer 1. So, anything we add to, now that we're focusing in on the second sampler. Pretty cool, but harsh sound design. Yeah, that about does it for the granular mode. So we can hit this button to switch to the drone mode, where we have 3 different oscillators. In slider layer 1, we can affect which oscillators are heard. Or I shouldn't say oscillators, I should say waveforms. We can affect the waveform type with this slider. I'm going to leave it on saw. In slider layer 2, we can add in a modulating waveform to frequency modulate the 3 other drones that are happening. We can affect the amplitude of the waveform with this, and we can affect the waveform type of the modulating waveform with this. Basically, I mean, the rules are all the same. We're focusing in on the first drone synthesizer right now. Any effects we add on will just affect that one. We can change the pitch with these three knobs. And this changes the pitch of the modulating waveform. And then if we go to encoder layer 2, we can affect the panning. Once again, it's in mono for you, so it won't have much of an effect. Then we can, once again, focus in on which synth we want to hear or we want to affect. Things get very hectic very quick. Basically a sound design tool, or if you want, a power electronics tool, but it is most certainly antagonistic. Thank you.